Hello and welcome to another video. So today I have a MEGAWISE jump starter for unboxing and review. So I have one from SuperPal that I bought maybe 4 years ago, but I do have two cars, so I bought one for my other car. This one I primarily keep at home. I've actually helped more strangers with it than my own car. But it's a nice thing to have, to be able to jumpstart a car. It's not just a traditional battery pack. It does work as a traditional battery pack to charge your phones, etc. It has a torchlight in it, but it has high power or high amperage, so you can actually jumpstart a car. So anyways, this is the product I'm unboxing today from brand MEGAWISE. All right, let's open it up. Actually, let's go to the box first. So not much information on the outside. On the back, it tells me that it has 16,800 milliamp hours of capacity. So that's a pretty generous amount to be able to charge multiple cell phones or even a laptop with the USB-C power, because it does have high output. So output 1 up to 12 volts. You have output 2 at 2.1 amps and output 3 at 10 amps. I should be able to charge a laptop with that. And you can charge the battery itself at 3 amps, so fairly quickly. And the peak current is 1500 amp and starts off at 750 amps. So comes with a 12-month warranty. All right, let's open it up. Okay. Actually comes with a carrying case. I did not know it came with a carrying case, but that's nice. I actually used the box for my old one, so it's actually nicer to have a carrying case rather than having to carry the actual box. All right, it's a pretty nice unboxing experience here. It just comes with this, everything comes fit into the carrying case already. All right, let's open it up. So this is the cable that connects to the battery pack through this. It's pretty similar to what I have on the other one, and then these clamps go onto the battery itself, or the battery connector. You have a USB-C cable to be able to charge the battery or charge your cell phone using the battery pack. So it's pretty short, about 1 foot in length. I like the shorter cables for these purposes because they actually have better charge rates usually, faster charge rates. Here's the manual. Probably not much in the way of what it can tell us, because it's really plug and play. There's not much to go with it. Okay, so it actually gives us some information on jump starter capacity and all that stuff. Not really something we're going to need. Let's pull this out and show you what it looks like. Okay, so there's this little insert in there to hold it in place. Okay, so it does have a torchlight, USB 3.0, USB 2.0, and a connector for the jump cable. So let's plug it in. So it can only get plugged in a certain way. So this is how it gets plugged in, and you can see the LCD, or the LCD come on, and when you connect these connectors to a battery, it'll tell you how much power the battery has. I'm not going to connect it right now. I'm going to pull that out. Let's see. This device itself does not have a LED on it, or LCD on it, to show you the charge level. It does have these 4 LED lights, so it's charged up to 75% right now, or 3 LEDs. I think I press and hold to turn on the torch light. So yep, I pressed and hold and the torch light is on. Same thing to turn it off. Okay. USB-C port to charge it. There's also a DC output. I'm not sure what that is used for. There's nothing to connect it to, so I'm not sure what this DC output is for. I'll show you my old one to compare. So this is my old one. It actually looks pretty similar. So this is my old one. It's a little dirty. I've used it plenty of times. Also has a DC output. Never really used it, not really sure what it's for. It does have a compass on top, and it does have this LCD to tell me the charge level. And it's the same press and hold to turn on the flashlight function, press and hold to turn it off, and same kind of outputs. Anyways, so these two devices pretty similar, even in look. This one's a little larger, probably a larger battery. So this one has a capacity of 62.1 watt hour. This one is a 38.48 watt hour. So this is about 60% in capacity, the old one. Let's see what other things the flashlight can do. So I've turned it on. Press it once, it goes to blinking. Press it twice, it goes to blinking permanently. Steady. This one blinks and off, blinks and off. Yep. And then this one is blinks continuously, and press and hold to turn it off. Anyways, this is it. This is the MEGAWISE Model G23 Jumpstart battery pack. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you on the next one.